Hello everyone, welcome back. Last time we created a repository on our machine using the init command in Git, and then we made a mirror of this repository on GitHub. Today we're going to do the opposite, which is a bit easier. So today we are creating a GitHub repository or a repository on GitHub, and then we are going to clone it on our machine, which is much easier than last time. So let's get started. So here is my old repository, the one that I used last time. I'm going to start fresh, so I'm going to just delete this one. So I can go to settings, and if you scroll to the end, to the bottom here, you see the danger zone. Here, I want to delete this repository. So I'm going to hit on this button, and I want to delete this repository. And I read and understand. So I have actually to copy this and paste it here to confirm. Done. I don't have it anywhere. I don't have it anymore. Now I'm going to create a new repository. This one I'm going to call Python course. Now I want to make it public. You can have a description. So I'm going to say just for a Python course. I'm going to add a README file. You can add a .gitignore file. It's up to you. Or add a license. It's up to you to create repository. Now I have this repository. What I can do now is I'm going to copy this link here. So I can copy from here. On my machine, if I open the folder, hidden files, you cannot see them unless you click on view and check on show, check the hidden items here. So if you don't check it, then you don't see it. Why do I care? Because I want to see this folder here, the .git folder. This one I'm going to delete. If I delete it, then I don't have a Git repository on my machine. Okay, so here we can see it's empty, an empty directory. So I'm going to the D drive that I have, and inside it I have a Python directory, and I'm going to create my repository to be a mirror of the one on GitHub now. And to do that, I have a different command, and the command is git clone. And then remember the link that I copied, this guy? I'm going to paste it here and enter. See what happens? I have it in this directory. A new directory was created, and it has the README file. So now it's better to go inside this directory instead of just being outside. So I'm just going to say file and Python course. Select. So now I'm inside it. So I have the README file. Again, I'm opening the terminal. So new terminal here. So I'm inside this directory, the Python course. I'm going to create a new file. This new file, I'm going to call it demo.py. Then I'm going to run it by writing py and then grabbing this file here. So you see, it prints hello world. Right? You can see here that the file is green and you have the letter U in front of it. U here stands for unstaged. If I write get status, you see here that this file, the ones that I've just created, it's in red, and I should add it to be staged. So get add, and the file is demo.py. Now, if I write get status again, you see it's not committed. So my branch is up to date with the origin main. Origin here means the one on GitHub, and the main is a main branch. I can commit it, or I can restore it. So I'm just going to commit. We did this before, and then I'm going to write the message. So the message is going to be first commit. And then I can just git push. So git push to ask me for my credentials. Now, if I write get status again, you see I'm up to date with the origin main. I go back to this page and refresh it. You see I've created the demo.py, right? So this is the exact same thing we had before, but in a different way. It's much easier because you don't have to have git init and change from the master branch to the main branch. Just create a repository on GitHub and then clone it on your machine. So that's it for this lesson. See me again for the next lesson. Thank you.